Hey, before we start off, I want to friendly ask you to like, subscribe, and click on the bell! Now let's continue with this video. In this video, I want to explain how you can draw price channels very easily with Tradingview on the chart. And as you can see, I have the Bitcoin chart selected on the daily time frame. If you want to add a price channel, you need to do it like this. Just go over to the trendline tools, which is the second option over here in the menu. So below this option, the cursors option, go to the second option, the trendline tools. Click on the arrow to see all the options, and over here you can see this one, which is the parallel channel. So that's the one you need to select by clicking on it. And the way to draw a channel is you just start off with the first part. So let's say I want to draw a channel from over here to over here. Then when I have the first line ready, then I click on it. And now I can go to the other part, which is the second line. It automatically becomes visible. So always make sure that the trend lines have several touch points like this. And now you can see that it automatically, a perfect price channel has been drawn. And also with the, in the middle, you have the center line, which automatically becomes visible. So that's the way to do it. And of course, you can also adjust the settings for the appearance by clicking on it, double click on it. You can select if you want the middle line to be visible. If that's not the case, you can deselect it. But if you want it to show up, then you need to select this option. You can set the color. So let's say, for example, I want to change to yellow, and also for the channel lines, I can set it to yellow. And over here you can change the background. Now it's set to blue with an opacity of 5, but you can change it completely how you want it to be. So play around with it, see what you like. You can extend the lines from the left or to the right by clicking on those options. So now the lines are extended. And if you go to the visibility tab over here, you see a couple of other options. I must say, I don't use this too often, so I won't go too much in depth about this. So the style options, those are good to know. And if everything appears how you want it to be, just make sure to select the OK option, click on it, and now you see that the price channel is visible on the chart. So that's how you draw perfect price channels. I hope you found this video helpful. If that's the case, I want to friendly ask you to like, subscribe, and click on the bell! Thanks for watching, have a nice day, and I hope to see you back again in another video.